Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of Netflix. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search for Netflix app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.